Hello, and welcome to the 2017 SEMA show here in Las Vegas, Nevada. My name is Gutierrez with Sentury Tire, where the future of tire technology lies.
Sentury Tire is proud to announce that it has a new breakthrough technology, a graphene tire. Graphene is a space-age material which enables us to achieve higher performance in all aspects, including traction, durability, and lower rolling resistance.
New for 2017, we're proud to announce Delinte DS7 Sport Ultra High Performance Summer Tire. It's an asymmetric tread design with a wide center rib for maximum stability and large contact patches for maximum grip.
Here we have our new 285/40 24-inch all-terrain tire, available in Delinte and Landsail tires.
Let me introduce my product. The first one is Formula tire. We use that for the Formula 4 racing. Pretty strong and good looking. The second one, this is a time attack tire. We use that for the time attack and the drifting. The third one, I'm proud of my product, my designing. This is Super Trophy Lamborghini rear tire. We use that for all the GT racing.
Here we have the Landsail LS588 sealing tire. It's a self-sealing technology that is applied after the tire is cured. I hope you enjoyed all the information provided here in this video. For more detailed information, please visit us at SenturyTireUSA.com. And once again, thank you for visiting us here at the 2017 SEMA show in Las Vegas, Nevada.